Here's how to use AirPlay screen mirroring with an iPhone. First, if wireless CarPlay is currently connected, screen mirroring cannot be connected directly. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen and tap the Wi-Fi icon to disconnect wireless CarPlay. Also, turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone to prevent wireless CarPlay from reconnecting automatically. Next, go to the Lexion monitor's main menu and tap the mirroring icon. Tap the Wi-Fi icon, then turn on Personal Hotspot on your iPhone and connect the Lexion monitor to your iPhone's hotspot. Enter the Wi-Fi password and wait until the connection is established. Once connected, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen again and tap the screen mirroring icon. When DZT-Link appears in the AirPlay device list, tap it. Wait a few seconds, and your iPhone screen will be mirrored on the Lexion monitor. Audio settings for AirPlay mirroring. When using AirPlay mirroring, audio is output through AUX, not through the Lexus factory Bluetooth connection. Go to Factory Settings on the Lexion monitor and turn Bluetooth Audio Output Mode off. Then change the factory Lexus media source to AUX. The audio from your mirrored iPhone should now play normally through the vehicle's speakers.